Next, we will discuss a problem. The average weight of a sample of 144 people is 71.8 kg with standard deviation 7.8 kg. Test the hypothesis that the average weight of these peoples be 70 kg against the alternative hypothesis is that it is greater than 70 kg at 1% level of significance. Okay, I repeat, the average weight of a sample of 144 people is 71.8 kg. That is, capital X bar is 71.8 and sample size small n is equal to 144. Standard deviation is, this is standard deviation of sample, so sample standard deviation capital S is 7.8. Question is, test the hypothesis that the average weight of these people be 70 kg. This is null hypothesis. Against alternative hypothesis is it is greater than 70 kg. Okay, so null hypothesis is if mu is the average weight of population, then null hypothesis is mu equal to 70, and alternative hypothesis is greater than 70, so mu greater than 70. Okay, at 1% level of significance. Solution: let n equal to sample size. This is equal to, given that sample size is 144, so this is greater than 30. So here we apply Z test. So given that sample mean capital X bar is, sample mean is 71.8. Okay, and population mean equal to mu equal to 70, and sample standard deviation is equal to 7.8 kg. So 7.8. Okay, so here population standard deviation sigma is unknown. Okay, so null hypothesis. Now we will set hypothesis. So first is null hypothesis. Null hypothesis H naught. So null hypothesis, this is null hypothesis. The average weight of this people be 70 kg. So sample has come from the population with average weight (70 kg). That is, null hypothesis is mu equal to 70. In alternative hypothesis, H1 equal to, our question is against alternative hypothesis is that greater than 70 kg. So alternative hypothesis, this is greater than, so question is greater than 70. So alternative hypothesis mu greater than 70. That is, this is right tail test. This is right tail test. Since greater than means right tail test. Right tail test. Clear? Since this is large sample, so we will use Z test. So test statistic, state statistic. Z equal to x bar minus mu by sigma x bar, where sigma x bar is the standard error of mean. So formula of sigma x bar is when population standard deviation is unknown. So for this case, sigma x bar is by root n. Okay, since here population standard deviation is unknown and sample standard deviation is known, so formula for standard error of mean is, for this case, sigma x bar equal to s by root n, where sigma x bar is standard error of mean. Okay, so sigma x bar is s by root n. So value of s is 7.8 n. So sample size is 144. So root over 144. So 7.8 by 12. So after calculation, this value is 0.65. Okay. So therefore the value of z is z equal to x bar. So x bar, the value of x bar is 71.8. So value of x bar is 71.8 minus mu. So value of mu is 70. So 70 by sigma x bar. So value of sigma x bar is 0.65. So 0.65. So this is, after calculation we get 2.769. Okay, so this is the calculated value of z. So this is z value. So z value in this question is 2.769. Okay, and here level of significance alpha is 1%. So level of significance alpha equal to 1%. That is, alpha equal to 1 by 100 means 0.01. Okay, so alpha equal to 1% means alpha equal to 0.01. Also remember, in this question, if no significant level is given, please remember, if no significant level is given in your questions, we have to take 5% level of significance in every case. Okay, I repeat, please remember, if no significance level is given in your questions, then you have to take 5% level of significance in every case. Okay, but here given that level of significance is 1%. Clear? So level of significance alpha is 1% means alpha equal to 0.01. And for right tail test, critical value for 1% level of significance is z alpha equal to 2.326. We already discussed. For right tail test, critical or tabulated value z alpha for 1% level of significance is 2.326. Okay, so critical value, critical or tabulated value of z alpha equal to this 2.326. 2.326 at 1% level of significance. Level of significance. Okay. Decision. Since calculated value or z value is 2.769 always greater than 2.326, that is z greater than z alpha, that is calculated value always greater than tabulated value. So hence H0 rejected. Hence, since this, for this, using this condition, we can say that null hypothesis is rejected. So H0 rejected, and H0 accepted. Okay. So hence population means H0 accepted means this is H0, this is accepted. So population mean always greater than 70 kg. So population mean is greater than 70 kg. Since H1 accepted, so statement of null hypothesis mu greater than, the statement of alternative hypothesis mu greater than 70. So alternative hypothesis accepted. So population mean mu greater than 70 means mu means population mean. So population mean is greater than 70 kg. Hence population mean is greater than 70 kg. Okay. This is the required result. Now we will draw this figure. So this is the standard normal density curve. Okay. So this is right tail test. So error will occur only right side, and level of significance is 1%. So this is error will occur only right side. This is alpha. This is rejection region. This is this area of this curve is area of this portion is 0.01. Okay, and area of remaining portion is, this is alpha. Remaining portion is, area of remaining portion is 1 minus alpha. 1 minus alpha is 1 minus 0.01, that is 0.99. Okay, and 1% level of significance. So tabulated value for 1% level of significance is 2.326. So this is 2.326. Okay, and here z value is 2.769. So 2.769 always belongs to this region. This is 2.769. Okay, so 2.769 always belongs to this region. So hence that's why we reject null hypothesis. This is rejection region, means in this region we always reject null hypothesis, and this is acceptance region. This region is acceptance region. Acceptance region. Okay, since calculated value is belongs to this region is rejection regions. In rejection regions we always reject null hypothesis, and this is accepted regions. That's why we reject null hypothesis and we accept alternative hypothesis. Okay, this is the figure. This is figure for right tail test. Right tail test. Okay.